Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Happy Sunday. Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about one of the coins that I am following into the peak of this bull run, which, if you guys haven't been tracking the trend and where these markets are going and when we are going to be hitting peak prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's going to be quarter 2025. Now, some people will say that is false, that the bull market is over. We've already topped out. We're going to be consolidating down back to 20K. Now, those are called bearish influencers. Now, we've historically have said, and if you scientifically break it down, that bearish influencers, they wreck you. They ultimately wreck you, because if you look at the trend on Bitcoin, regardless of the price consolidation, we've been on a upwards trend of a parabolic move if you look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Now, why am I saying this? Well, it's because you have to have a long-term trajectory strategy for investing in general. So if you want to step outside of the casino and you want to stop having to say, what's the next 1000X? What's the next gem? What's the next this? What's the next that? Every 2 days in crypto Twitter, get off of crypto Twitter. That'll do yourself a great service if you just step off of crypto Twitter for a little bit, go back in time, look at the charts, find the strong memes that have survived out of the noise, and see which ones have the best trading volume and who have gained the most support. So in that list, there's a few different coins that have been the outliers of support and have gone through the test of crypto Twitter and sell-offs, and the ultimate judge of what is going to be one of the top coin meme holders of strength in this bull run. So what is that coin? Well, it's PEPE. So if you're looking at PEPE right here, market cap sitting at 64 million. We got a volume, 24-hour volume at 4 million, 4.4 million. Circulating supply is at 406 trillion. So big supply. It's a meme coin, so the supply is going to be pretty big. It's on Ethereum. Now, why am I mentioning PEPE? Well, J15, Da Vinci Jeremy, the legend who called Bitcoin at $1 12 years ago, he's also made multiple different meme coin calls. He's made meme coin calls for PEPE. Whenever Da Vinci and Carl Runefelt made a video about a year and a couple months ago about PEPE and if you should buy it, if you would have held PEPE and bought even just a couple $100 of PEPE during that time and have held it until now, up into its all-time high, it'd be worth a few $1 million. So this is why when you find something, you have conviction on it and you stick with the plan for longer than 2 months. And so this is why I mentioned about the crypto Twitter nonsense and the garbage of these influencers saying, give me the next gem, give me the next gem. No, I don't want the next gem. I already found the gem. You buy that and you freaking hold it. So it's as simple as that, guys. Once you find it, you have found it. And then that's it. Why would you keep going to the next gem and the next gem and the next gem? No, you have conviction on the play for the strategy. This is how the SHIB millionaires and billionaires are billionaires and millionaires right now, because they did not buy anything else. They bought SHIB and they held it. And look what it did to them. It grew their profits so substantially instead of taking the risk and the gamble on jumping into multiple next 1000X gem. So it's just as simple as that, guys. So we're going to keep it very simple on this channel, and we've tried our best. If you've watched this channel for the past couple months, however long, if you tune in the live streams, we keep it pretty basic. We do get a little bit meta, but we want to keep it very, concise and simple so you guys can take that and then implement it into your strategy so then you can have max profits for the bull run. and to protect yourself when going into the bear market. All right, so let's look at the chart. So when you're looking at this chart, this is classic meme coin territory where you get nice price consolidation up, but a lot of the times when a meme coin launches, you get something like big candle green, big red down, and then the community starts to decide if they're wanting to stick with this project or not. And you get big whales either selling off, you get big whales leaving the project, completely selling and not entering back in. And then that gives a bit of a bearish sentiment for whatever particular project that might be. And it happens to all of them. There's been whales that dumped on Brett, caused Brett FUD, and that FUD ended up being very manipulated and caused Brett to go down substantially, but then it showed strength. So this is the same thing that's happening with PEPE, PEIPEI right now. And if you're not familiar with what the whole narrative of PEIPEI is, it is a Chinese version of PEPE. It's as simple as that. So it's playing off the narrative that China is going to be ultimately more bullish on crypto, and they're going to be more lax. And so then that means retail will be jumping into something like PEIPEI. So this is just a simple narrative trend that we can trade on going into the first quarter of 2025. And so this is going to be, I think, one of the coins that's going to perform very well when Ethereum hits its all-time highs, which is going to be coming very soon, with institutional buying of the ETF, and whenever retail starts to open up their Coinbase app again and they start seeing Ethereum going ham, and they were like, oh man, it was like 2,500 and now it's 5K, now it's almost 6K, and just imagine where these coins are going to go. So when you look at this chart, I love this chart because you have this nice price consolidation up, you get the bearish, sell off, and then the community decides if it is indeed a coin that is going to survive, and then the exchanges pick it up, you get more bullish support, you get people like KOLs like Da Vinci coming in, and then look, recovers right back up and to break its all-time high. Price consolidation here, bull flag, and you can see it here, bull flag. Pretty textbook, bull flag right here. And then another break to its all-time high. Another little regression trend, and then another break to an all-time high. And so this right here is obviously all altcoins right now and meme coins with price consolidation with the recent market crash. And then now we are forming what is indeed another textbook regression trend, bull flag that could break us up into new all-time highs, which is sitting at 6/0's4406. So this is pretty bullish overall for even the short term for PEIPEI, but then you have to take into account a more long-term strategy play and time trajectory for your meme coins. Some people would disagree because they think, oh, you need to get in and out, in and out, in and out. I disagree when it's a strong meme. When it's a strong meme, think about the people that invested early in Dogecoin, and think about the people that invested early into SHIB and PEPE. So this is what we're doing. We're going to test this strategy out. We have not sold a single PEPE, and we're going to see how much this thing can grow when we go into quarter 2025, first quarter 2025. And I want to know in the comments below if you guys have a similar strategy, what coins you are using to implement this strategy, and I want to know when you think is the best time that we could be taking profits in this bull run. But thank you guys so much for tuning in for this breakdown of PEIPEI. I hope you got a little bit of knowledge and got value out of this video. And if you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ding the bell to be notified, and you will not miss a single video whenever I upload them. And we go live Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope to see you on one of those live streams. Peace out, guys.